Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with a really quick share. I recently purchased this flip it die. It's a flower flip it from the Stamps of Life. And I made a few cards watching videos last night. And these are the cards I made. These are the dies that it comes with. It comes with the inside panels, I guess they're called. So those are for the inside panel. It comes with the die to cut the card out itself. And then you get all of these flower dies too that come with the outline as well. So they all have the outline. And this is how this one cuts. And when you make the shadow, so they just like springy cards. And I left the sentiment off because I'm not sure if I'm going to use them for Mother's Day or Easter. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below, Mother's Day or Easter. I am having a hidden giveaway. I am including 4 of these in the hidden giveaway. Sorry for the dog. Go ahead and put the word flower in your comment below. You must be 18 years or older and a US subscriber that is visible to my channel. And hope you guys are having a crafty week. Until the next time, shakas!